Mr. Lover Lover. Mr. Lover Lover. Girl. Mr. Lover Lover. Mr. Lover Lover. Girl, they call me Mr. Bombastic. Baby fantastic. Touch me on my butt, she said I'm Mr. Romantic, baby fantastic. Touch me on my butt, she said I'm Mr. Boom, 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 boom. Jeez, wheeze, baby, please. Let me take you to the island of the deep blue sea. You don't feel like driving? Give me the key, cause I'm a lava, 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 lava. Man, am I out of shape or what, man? I can't sing half a song. Here's the first. This video, I'll make a beef. Oh, this video, I'll make a beef jerky. Come on, get the sweat off my bro. Come on. Yeah. You guys see that hand right there? That's the hand of an angel. Hand of an angel. Anyway, this is the first red tomato from my crop. This is a knife. One for me, one for the spouse. Take the red pill. Here we go. Yum. Right?
Right.
She's going like this. All right. Beef jerky. Get a sharp knife. Make sure your name's on it. If your name's not on it, it won't taste as good. Sharpen it. Thank you. Wipe the shavings off real good. Open this stuff. I went and bought this. It is a beef bottom round roast. I basically tried to find my best per pound. So this is $3.98 a pound. I bought 3 pounds for 12 bucks. I'm gonna see how much jerky this makes. Thinking about actually selling jerky maybe on eBay and Etsy. So I bought the cheapest, leanest cut, and I'm gonna cut against the grain. You always want to cut against the grain into thin slices. So that's what I'm going to do now. Alright, first I'm going to trim off all this fat here. Not that much. I can use some of that useful, like, blah, 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 blah. So get that fat out there. That fat out there. Get some of this fat out there. At least some in there. This fat out there. Get all of it. Okay, now you can see these grains that I'm talking about. See how they run like that? So you want to cut this way. Against them. So I'm going to start... let's see if I can get an example going here. So there's an example. Oh, I'm going to do the whole thing, so I'm not going to make you sit through that whole thing. Stand by. Alright, so that took me a few minutes, but I've cut them into strips now. They're all pretty uniform, as you can see. At least the same width, but I'm really good with a knife, so try to get them all as equally the same as you can. Now, I decide what flavor I want. I need to decide what flavor I want. So I'm just going to look for stuff around the kitchen, and then I'll turn the camera back on when I figure out how I'm gonna make a teriyaki. Teriyaki is basically the same stuff in almost every teriyaki, so I'm gonna see what I can find around the kitchen to make my own sauce. So here we go. All right. So this is what I found around the kitchen. An orange. Let's start with that. Okay. I think I got these. I'm gonna squeeze it. Squeeze that orange in there. Yeah. Squeeze it. Yeah. Orange. That's nice orange. Get some good on there. Get on there. Orange. Yeah, let's do orange, please. Yeah. I got some juice orange. So that's that. Let me rinse my hands off. I couldn't find any pineapple or pineapple juice anywhere. I really wanted a little bit of pineapple juice, but I'm gonna have to substitute something for something. So here's a little bit of turbinado sugar. I don't even know what that means, to be honest with you. And then this is some of the best seasoning I've ever had, to be honest with you, and it's ramen chicken flavor, picante flavor. I literally buy the ramens just for these. I don't even eat those stupid noodles that I come with. So I'm gonna throw that in there. And then my own seasoning, the John Seasonal. And then I'm thinking about that one. Soy sauce. Soy sauce. Right. Lid goes on the ground. Maybe a little more salt. Maybe a little white pepper. You notice I'm not measuring anything. Little white pepper there. Little fresh ground black pepper. A little bit of hot sauce. The Cristal blend. Cristal. That's the best hot sauce, people. I don't care what anyone says. A couple dashes of that in there. I wonder if I got any garlic in the fridge. Hold on. Garlic. And some garlic. Did I forget anything? Some of that garlic in there. And should I put this maple syrup? 100% pure maple syrup. It smells kind of light. That smells, I don't know. It can't hurt it, can it? You want the sweet with the savory and the teriyaki. So that's it, man. And then I'll let it marinate. And stir this all up. And then I'm gonna let it marinate. I might cook a piece and test it out, but I'm thinking this is gonna be good. Alright, so I'm gonna let this marinate for 16 hours. And by 16 hours, I mean 1 hour. But in the meantime, alright. Got some marinated bottom round. I already forgot what this is. Been marinating for 17 hours. I mean 1 hour. I'm gonna put on the dehydrator here. Okay. Probably supposed to pat them a little bit, but I want to see what happens at full regalia or whatever that means or whatever I'm trying to say. So I'll probably fast forward this part of the video. You know, like they do in other videos. That's really cool. So there's that, and in the meantime, that's probably why I started singing that. You probably heard it in super fast motion. In the meantime, I made some bacon jerky. You guys, I'm thinking about selling this stuff. If you guys would be interested in this stuff, it'd probably be like $10 free shipping for 3 ounces, approximately, either one. I'm assuming. That's what I'm assuming. I don't know for sure. But if you're interested and you'd like to support and you think this is a good idea, let me know. Bacon jerky or beef jerky. It's gonna get better every batch I make. It's gonna get better. So let me slap this thing on here. Plug it in. It's already set on jerky. And then I'll check on it every so often until it gets to where I desire my desired temperature or viscosity or toxicity of our city. No! Why'd you leave your dehydrator up on the table? I wanted to! Anyway, I'm gonna have some awakened bacon jerky. That's what I would name it. Awakened bacon jerky and awakened beef jerky. It goes perfect with Clamato cocktail and some manzanilla olives. Stand by for finished product. Alright, it's about 45 minutes later. Let's check on this thing. It's really starting to look like jerky already. But it has a while to go, so we'll check back maybe in another hour or so. Word. Alrighty, it is now 8:30 in the morning. This stuff's been drying all night, basically. Here we go. Man, it really looks like jerky to me. It's still kind of soft. Let me try a piece here. It's kind of mild. It's mild, but it's nice. Moist, yet chewy. I could have used a little more soy sauce, but it's good. A little more soy, maybe some pineapple juice next time. Alright everyone, thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments if you'd be interested in bacon jerky or beef jerky. Alright everyone. This stuff is pretty decent actually. Thanks for watching. Peace. And beefy juicy jerky grease. Bye bye.